Hi guys, this is Diamond, and yes, I'm so happy today. I want to make this video to share with you guys a new cover that I just made, and this is the made in a chocolate leather. So you can see the leather is really beautiful. It's very pebble and it's very soft, and this is the, I will say, this is the most biggest one I have made in my shop, and especially for a custom size. And this is about the height is 13 inches tall, and when we open and flat it, it's going to be 21 inches wide. Yeah, it's pretty big, and we can see this is going to fit for an iPad Pro, about 12.9 inches. Yes, and with the keyboard case. So I make this cover in the front here. We're going to fit the iPad, and also here is the pen loop. This is going to fit the Apple Pen. So I don't have Apple Pen, so I just use it to try like the Apple Pen. You know, yeah, just like this. It's very fitable. Yes, and very tight because Apple Pen is pretty expensive, so I just want to make it very tight. It's not going to fall out very easy. Yeah, so it's like holding like this. In the back here, yeah, in the front here, we have a regular pen loop in here. Yes, so because this one is going to make for a salesman, and he is a guy doing the ADT security system company. And yes, this one is meant for him because he holding a very big cover when he tried to sell me the system, and he saw my latest. He just very curious and want me to make him a new one. So I said no problem. So I make this one. So we can see here is for the iPad space here. iPad Pro, okay, because I have to emphasize Pro because iPad has many different sizes. So iPad Pro has the 11 inches and the 12.9 inches different. So this one is going to fit the 12.9 inches. And because he is a salesman, so he probably had the name card a lot he can put here. Yes, and here is a phone case. So if he want to just doing everything, put everything in together in the cover, and this is going to very fit. And here has a big pocket too. Okay, and the front here is just a security for the iPad, in case it won't just slide out very easily. Yes. And in the back here, we can see here has two patch holders. This is going to fit the notepad from Costco. Yes, you know, Costco has sold the notepad like the yellow book, yeah, like the yellow notes, and this size is going to fit it. And because the back cover is hard cover, so you can just slide your back cover into here. Yes, and it's all down, so you can just grab it to any meeting, to any sales, to do any sales and to do your business. So I'm going to call this is the meeting book or meeting cover. So it's really beautiful and stunning. And because when I make this, I don't have any knife models for this, so I will say this cover is going to 100% handmade. Yes, because even the pockets here is really big piece. So when I'm pinning down the piece of the leather, it's really difficult. But I finally did it. Yes. So I wish you guys will see this video and will love it. And this is a very good meeting cover. So if you are going to get a gift to your lovely one, yes, and he is a businessman, I think he or she is a businessman, and this could be the best gift for him or her. Okay, so I wish you guys will love this video today, and see you guys very soon. Bye bye.